Uh, hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the last month strategy of the CSIR-NET and some important topics from all the three of topics: physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry, and the number distributions, cutoffs, and how to attempt your CSIR-NET everything. So I'll start with the basics like. What is the number distribution, this previously, like we have a part A, part B, part C, and in part A we have 60 questions. From that we have to attempt 25, and part B 40 questions are there, we have to attempt 35, and part C there is 20 questions are there and we have to attempt 15 questions. These are aptitude. Sorry about the bad handwriting, I am not habituated with this pad. So you can see, sorry, I did mistake here. I am really sorry about this. At the end of the video, or now I will share how I attended and how I cleared the JRF. So part C, maximum I attended from part C. Okay, so you can see that there and the number is 200 marks of examination. 25 into 4, 35 into 2, and 15 into, sorry, 15 10 questions are of 1 mark and 5 questions are of 2 marks, total equal to 10, equal to 10. Hey, sorry, my student was 2, sorry about the miscalculation. This is 30 marks, 30 marks from here, this is 70 marks, and this is 100 marks. So I mostly attended from the C part and A part and B, mostly attended from C part. From C part I get, I think, almost 60 to 70 marks, and from B part 20 to 25 marks, and from A part uh, I think 7 to 10 marks I got. So I qualified the CSIR-NET JRF last time, means September 2022 examination. I think 18th September was the exam, and November the result was released. So forget about that. I will share how to attend. If you see, CSIR-NET is a very different examination compared to GATE, because here you have many options, but the time is limited, like 3 hours, 3 hours. So you have to target the part C part mostly, because first, no, first you have to start from part C. Start from part C. Okay, and try to watch 60 questions. Means I am sure that if you read all the things carefully and the concept is clear, then you can must you can attempt greater than 20 questions. And you don't have to, means you have to be very careful, because you have to choose those questions only you can attempt clearly, and you know the answers correctly. then you will get 4 marks. You can see, if you can correct 25 questions, you are already getting 100 marks. And 100 marks, the cutoff is always around 100 means for general cutoff always around 100, means you have to target not 200 but 120 to 130, and 100 to 110 is a safe score. So my request to you, you have to first 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes, or you can give 1 hour 30 1.5 hours, means 1 hour 30 minutes, give to part C, because here in this part only you can qualify the CSIR-NET. Part B and part A will give you rank. If you want to rank, this will give you rank, this will clear your JRF. Okay, so I'll come to the topics which I studied or targeted. Let me discuss the number distribution, how will you start your examination and how will you proceed. Okay, so as I told that in part C 60 questions are there. You have to, means if you are not if you don't know the answers of first 10 questions, suppose first 10 questions you don't know the answers, don't worry, you have other 50 questions. Don't be sad, here we have many options. It is not like GATE. In GATE you have to study everything, you have to do every questions, but here you have options, multiple options. CSIR-NET is very easy to qualify compared to GATE, because GATE we have to get a good rank, and all the questions you have to attend, and you want a good rank. So try to watch or try to don't attempt, means you are, if you are getting the answers at the first glance, please do it. If you are not getting the answer, skip it, just skip it. Or if the chance is 70-30 or 50-50, mark as a review. But in 1 hour, this time, just do in first glance, or watch the 60 questions, complete the 60 questions. I think definitely you will get 20 to 23 questions that in your known. And don't do wrong here, because negative marking is also there. You are getting 4 marks. Okay, negative marking is -1. Understand? So don't do wrong here, just do only correct questions here. Then jump to part B. Part B. Here also you have 40 questions. You have to do 35 questions. You don't need to do 35 questions if you are not getting this 20 to 23 questions correct. You are getting only 15 or 18 questions. Then focus on part B. Try to do 20 to 25 questions here. Right? If you are crossing the 20 questions or 22 questions here, then try less here, because you have to be always calculative here. As I told that the cutoff is around 100 marks. Many of my friends didn't qualify for 1 marks or zero point 0.5 marks, didn't qualify for that because they did so many negative marking questions. Okay, so you have to be careful, you have to be calculative and careful. And if you are getting see, I already then 1.15 hours, sorry, 1.5 hours, and or 1 hour 15 minutes is over, and then you are giving 1 hour to that B part. 1 hour to B part. Then you have left, then give 20 to 25 minutes to part A. If you can do 7 to 10 marks from part A, only 7 to 10 marks, you have 30 marks from the part A, but you have to do few questions, then see how much score you are getting. So as I told that as I told that so as I told that part C is your JRF rank. JRF, you will clear JRF. Part B give you rank, good rank. Part B and part A rank. Okay, na? So as I told that 20 to 23 questions. Suppose you are getting 80 marks from here, 80 marks, and from 15 to 20 questions. So suppose you are getting 25 to 30 marks, 70 to 80. Okay, and here you are getting, try to attend 5 to 7 questions, you are getting 7 to 10 marks. You are already qualifying, say 25 7 means 110 around, including negative marking. So as I told, you have to be calculative in your attempting. Okay, so plan your exam like parts, three parts. Like in uh, first part, not this part, not part B, part C, B, A. Part, this part means first 1 point, uh, 1 point, sorry, 1 hour 15 minutes, or let's say 75 to 80 minutes you are giving to part C. Here don't waste time, only do the known questions. Then 20 to 30 minutes, or let's say 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes to part B. Okay, so how much time left? 110 minute. Okay, okay, both part B and C. Now give again 20 to 25 minutes to part A. So you have left, I think 40 minutes more. It's nearly equal to 130 to 140. So last, I am correct or not? Sorry. 110 minutes, 30, 40 minutes. These 40 minutes, or if you are get 30 to 40 minutes, give to mark for review questions. You have to calculate in between the exam that how many you are attempting, how much number you are getting. So then attempt this mark for review. Okay, na? So as I told, you have to calculate in between the exam. After completing this half, you can calculate your that how much marks you are getting, and how much negative marking or suspecting questions are there. So you can eliminate that. You can try here. Extra effort you can give if you are not getting the enough mark. Because my friend, as I told, 1 mark, 0.5 marks, they didn't get JRF for 1 mark, 0.5 mark. It feels so bad because they did some more negative marking. Okay, so now I'll told you about topics as I picked. So honestly, I am telling that I prepared for only 2 months. Only 2 months. You are believe or not, I prepared for only 2 months. In 2 months, what I did, I'll tell you now. 2 months, I what I did, like in July and August. I what I did, I will share. And 18th September was our exam. So 2 weeks in 2 weeks in September, what I did, I will tell you now. So in July and August, what I did in 2022, I solved all the PIQs of my important topics. What the important topics, I am coming to it now. Just after it, important topics. I solved like almost 10 years questions. 10 years, last 10 years. Watching YouTube videos or making by my own, and I clear few concepts. If you solve PIQs, so PIQ is the like backbone of any exam. Any exam. If you do PIQs, you will know from which part they are asking questions, important topics. Not only topics, you will get the areas, important areas. Okay, important chapters, important areas, important formulas, which areas they are asking from. Okay, so I got that idea from solving PIQ. I followed some sorry I followed some YouTube channels, and have some books of previous years. So I solved from the books and the follows the YouTube channel for some theory. Okay, in February 2022, I wrote the exam, but I didn't clear it because I was not prepared enough. Sorry, I was not prepared enough, so I didn't get. Second attempt I cleared, that is September 2022. I cleared the JRF. As for COVID, it didn't happen last year 2021. No CSR 2020 November was one CSIR-NET. We are not applicable that time. So as I told that you will get some important topics from that PIQs, important areas, important formulas, everything you will get from PIQs, and you will get a rough idea about that. Now the main thing is that what topics I focused, I will discuss now. So mainly I focused on physical. My physical is my strength, physical chemistry, numericals. Okay, but the Main thing is in exam, physical chemistry just betrayed with me, means that the questions are little bit difficult actually. So I had to take physical and inorganic chemistry. I focused on these two first, and later I did some just previous year of organic, because organic chemistry has no syllabus, like no limitations. That's why I didn't choose it, because in exam organic chemistry is like a means. If you think that you are doing the mechanism correct or doing the questions correct, you are definitely doing wrong. It's the rule of the organic chemistry. That's why I left it, because chance of having negative marking is high for organic chemistry. That's why I didn't. If you know the questions of organic chemistry, please do. If you don't know, no, please do. Don't know, leave it. Don't try, leave it. It's my opinion, it's my personal opinion, that if you know the organic chemistry question, please do it. If you don't know, leave it. Now I told that what I focused in physical chemistry and inorganic. As I told that I had to take little bit means credit. I have to give little bit credit to organic chemistry, because in physical chemistry, as I told this time, last time the question was little bit difficult, so cutoff is around 96 or 95, I think. I forget the cutoff. It's around this for general. For EWS it was, I think, 89, and others categories I didn't remember. So for physical chemistry it was little bit difficult. The questions was little bit difficult, so I had to take help from organic chemistry, and because I attended few questions, I take risks from organic chemistry, I cleared the JRF. So now I will tell you that what topics I focused in physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. So before that, I want to tell you that if you are strong, means strong, average, weak, physical, inorganic, and organic. Okay. So if you are strong in both, all the three, you will definitely you will definitely qualify easily CSR. Okay. Now, if you are strong, if you are strong in physical and inorganic, but you are average, means strong. Sorry. If you are average in, if you are strong in physical and strong in inorganic, but average in organic, still you qualify. Still you qualify the CSR. If you are average and average in three, still you qualify. But problem will be when you are average here, and weak here, or any of two are average and one is weak, so you can't qualify. And if you are strong here and weak here, one subject, still you can qualify, because two subjects are enough to qualify CSIR-NET. Mark my words, two subjects, two topics are enough, two papers are enough. Any, choose any of two, like I, but the next thing is I choose these two and didn't focus on this. I was weak in this. Not weak, I didn't practice actually, but it needs sometimes weak, sir. As I told that organic chemistry at the last of the moment, it supported me to qualify the JRF. but still you have to do something for the weak zone. So two topics are enough when you are so much practiced in these two topics, and you are so much confident that you can do every question from coming from physical and inorganic. Then you can try. And the safe zone is if you are average in both three of them, so still you can qualify the CSIR-NET examination. Okay. So if the two topics of your are very strong, then don't worry, just solve so many enough questions have, from these two, and focus little bit just before the exam on the weak part, solve some. Now I will share the topics. Okay, so in physical chemistry, the weightage is of quantum is so high. Quantum physical spectroscopy. I am sharing what I focused. Group theory. Okay, just wait. So thermodynamics. Mainly thermodynamics means chemistry, thermochemistry, thermodynamics. Okay, statistical thermodynamics. I am writing it differently because it will come. Statistical thermodynamics. Okay. So quantum group theory, physical spectroscopy means everything rotational, vibrational, all the things related to stat thermodynamics, the partition functions, thermochemistry, the that delta H calculation, delta U calculation, group theory, point group theory has a very much weightage. Now inorganic chemistry. I am forgetting few topics. I think I'll remember. Just wait. Inorganic chemistry, organometallic chemistry. This is the means most of the 30% questions of the inorganic chemistry is from organometallic chemistry. Organometallic set. Organometallic chemistry. Okay. Second, bioinorganic chemistry. Bioinorganic. It is very easy chapter. Just read it. Means you don't have to give too much effort to this chapter because it is a memory based questions will come from this and very much weightage. Coordination chemistry. Coordinations in the sense is color, magnetism, okay, inorganic reaction mechanism, oracle diagrams, inorganic reaction mechanism, okay, inorganic reaction mechanisms. Inorganic reaction mechanism, coordination, magnetism, oracle diagram, and that magnetism from a block. If you read these topics carefully, very few topics, but it is very much weightage it has. Okay, and if you can study a little bit main group, that will be better, I think. But main group, especially boron chemistry. Boron chemistry. Boron chemistry. Reactions about boron, preparation of boron, some oxoacids. Okay, these are the things. Now organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, I read only organic spectroscopy. IR, NMR. Okay. Okay, inorganic spectroscopy. I forget to tell that inorganic spectroscopy is very much important here. Inorganic spectroscopy. Inorganic spectroscopy, that is EPR. Okay, Mosboer. Mass is included here. NMR, mass, EPR, Mosboer. The splittings actually. Different NMRs like 14, like nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. Not only 1H NMR, 13C NMR. Okay, everything. So organic spectroscopy. Okay, GOC is a very easy chapter, you can read, and stereochemistry along with stereochemistry. Okay, and pericyclic. Okay, pericyclic is a very easy chapter to score. Pericyclic. Pericyclic has weightage as well. And if you can read some reagents and name reactions. Okay, and if you have more interest in organic, please read reaction mechanism. That is related to actually these things. Stereochemistry is also related to these things. Not directly stereochemistry, questions will come, they will compile up of everything. Mechanism, reaction mechanism, intermediates. So all, don't be scared because if you practice everything, you will get everything. But why I didn't choose organic chemistry as the main thing, because organic chemistry is difficult to score in the competitive examination. It's easy to read. Organic chemistry is here I am writing. Easy to read, easy to read, easy to forget. Because so many exceptions are there. So in exam, if you think one of a mechanism and one product you get, it will definitely 90% chance it will be wrong. So if you don't know the questions answer, don't do it. If you know, do it. Okay, these are the things I want to share actually. How I cleared my CSIR-NET JRF and how you can try for the CSIR JRF. And I think in the video is clear. And lastly, I want to add some little bit about the means candidates who already have started, who are in the mid stage, or who didn't started yet. Every message is going to them now. The last finishing talk. Come on, finishing conclusion. Conclusion I want to give that who already started, first solve NET PYQs at least 10 years. Then if you already finished, then start get PIQs. Sometimes get PIQs are repeated. Then if you finish this, start first revise once, then do test series. I forget to tell that in July and August I do that PVIQs, and last 2 weeks I took test series. Test series means only full tests. I give 5 full tests only. 5 full tests I only give full test. Okay, don't be too much serious about the test series. It is only for your practice. Okay, and if you have enough time last, then revise. So if you are following this, you will definitely be successful. And if didn't started yet, anyone is here like didn't started, he can goes for the PIQs. Don't go run for the test series first. Solve PIQs as much as possible, and then you have time, then solve the test series, then revise it, because revising is very much important. Last 15 to 20 days, if I divide it, 10 to 14 days, or you should give test series, and last 6 to 7 days you have to revise everything again. Don't give test series here. Okay, and you have enough time, like I think the CSIR-NET is going to, they didn't announce, maybe in the second or third week of June. So you have 1 month still left. So you can plan like 20 to 25 days practice PYQs. Give 5 to 7 full test. Then remaining revise. Okay. That's it. I think the video is so clear to you. If you have any questions, you can definitely ask in the comment section. The comment section is for you only, and I will definitely answer. Or if you want, I will make a video, and I think if I get time, I will make the 10 questions per day series. I will going to start. If you say yes, I will start important questions. If I get time, I will definitely upload these things, because if I upload long videos, you will not definitely watch. I already see that long videos never watched. So why so much effort? So 10 questions I will pick from every topic, and I will upload every day, and you can watch for just for revising, for or recapturing your concepts or formulas. Sorry for bad handwriting. I think I will practice more. I will be good in this pad. So this is for all. Thank you to everyone. Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.